there are many variations in Sukshmayam. So first we'll do Griva Shakti Asan. Griva Shakti Asan, Griva means your neck. So first we'll practice. There are three variations in Griva Shakti Asan. So first is Griva Shakti Asan, which is shifted to your right and left.
Griva Shakti Vikasan.
Griva Shakti Vikasan. Okay, sorry. So first we'll do inhale, looking front, straight, shoulders back, straight. Then inhale. Then while exhaling, you have to shift your head towards right. Then come into that position, exhale. Then again left. Again exhale. Again. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now the second pose is you have to look upwards and then downwards. So first inhale, then upwards, and coming down you have to exhale. Okay. So inhale. Exhale. Your chin should touch the sternum. Then one more time. Inhale. Your back head should touch the back. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. There should be proper stretch your neck. Okay. So that you can feel the strength. Exhale. So now we're going to rotate our head. This is the third variation in Griva Shakti Vikasan. Okay. So first half we have to inhale. Then we have to exhale. Then again inhale. So we can rotate it in clockwise or anti-clockwise both. So first inhale. Exhale. Then again inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Then opposite side. Okay. Now we're going to go to other Sukshmayam, which is called Bhujangwali Shakti Vikasan. Right? So we can do it by standing up or by sitting also. So we can stand, sir. Okay. So first we'll stand straight, keep our hands on our thighs, straight, and our shoulder should be straight, which stands erect, roll back. Then we'll take our right hand. While inhaling, we have to take it up, and our hand should be opposite side while putting up. Means our palm should be facing outward while up. Okay. So first, inhale. Then coming back, exhale. One more time. Inhale. Again, exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. With the other hand, same position, stand straight, feet together, hands by side. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Try to stretch your hand properly, touching your ears. Okay?
इसको palm facing outward. When you're going up,
Yes,
palm
outward.
facing outward. बाहर की तरफ face होना चाहिए. आपके palm बाहर की तरफ होना चाहिए. अंदर
Yes, it should be outward, not inward. Outward. While up. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now we'll do it with both the hands. Purna Bhujavali Shakti Asana. Okay? Inhale. Touching your ears, palm facing outwards. Exhale. Slowly. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So now we're going to do the Kati Shakti Vikasana. Okay. First, you have to stand straight. Hands by your side. And then we'll move backwards and then front. Okay. You can do it by both. Stretching your legs, or else you can put it together also. First, we'll do stretching by legs. Okay. This is Kati Shakti Asana. This will give stretch towards your spine. Okay. Kati means spine. So first, by inhaling, we'll go back slowly. Straight, then exhale. By looking front ways. Then slowly, 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 slowly down. Then coming back. Exhale. Straight. So now let's do it. First, stand straight. Then hands by the waist. Straight. You can even stretch your legs if you want to go back properly and smoothly. Slowly, while inhaling, we'll go back. slowly. And then come back. Then exhale by looking front. Then move full down without bending your knees. Try to touch the ground. Then coming back to the same position, straight. By looking forward. Okay. Okay. And then straight. Can you all do for me once? That I should see you all, please. One more time. The again Kati Shakti Vikasana. First, stand straight, hands on waist. Then we're moving backwards by inhaling slowly. Okay, then coming back slowly. Then moving front by looking forward. Yes. Then bending down more. More. Knee should be straight. Okay. Then looking front. Slowly. Okay. Yes. Straight. So now with